Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The term minimum or initial deposit refers to a minimum amount of money that will be required to open a trading account with a financial institution. In the world of Forex trading, low minimum deposits has become a game changer, allowing more individuals to participate and explore the exciting opportunities of the foreign exchange market. With low minimum deposits, Forex trading has become accessible to a wider range of traders, regardless of their financial resources. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the cTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as cTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the cTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 4 on our list is Think Markets. Think Markets is a fully regulated forex broker that is based in Australia and the United Kingdom. The company was founded in 2010 as Think Forex in New Zealand, but later adopted the name Think Markets when it expanded very quickly. The company uses advanced technology, offering competitive prices, fast order execution, different levels of leverage and investment opportunities in the expertise of a money manager by using accounts such as PAM and MAM accounts. These create a competitive trading environment. This broker specializes in trading through Forex, indices, precious metals, shares, CFDs, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Their accounts are available on Think Zero, Standard, Islamic and joint accounts, with tighter spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week live support, access to their free virtual private servers, and so much more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own cTrader, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Think Markets also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides, a variety of written articles, market news and analysis panels, as well as their very own economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Think Markets. Coming in at number 3, we have InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC regulated forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides 2 main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are 2 Cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These Cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. At number 2 on our list is Forex for You. Forex for You was founded in 2007 and is a brand of eGlobal Trade and Finance Group Incorporated, a financial services company registered in the British Virgin Islands and licensed by the BVI Financial Services Commission, offering online trading in currency pairs, stocks, CFDs, and precious metals. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, as well as the Forex for You proprietary trading application for web, desktop, and mobile devices. MetaTrader 4 and the Forex for You proprietary platform are both supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Cent, Classic, Cent NDD, and Pro STP accounts, with up to 1 to 1,000 leverage, no commissions on the Cent or Classic accounts, no minimum deposits, variable average spreads, 24-hour, 5 days a week customer support, and more. Forex for You provides a Forex trading school that delves into a wide variety of educational content for beginners and experienced traders alike. They provide a wide variety of video tutorials that delve into the basics of platform functionality. There are online trading articles for you to browse through, as well as an economic calendar if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Forex for You. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a Cent account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies, and there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts, with swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.